As you can see, we're in the car, or I'm in the car, right? They're stuck behind me. I don't know, you can see through that back window there's some fishing rods sticking straight up because we're on our way to the river. We rented a little house on the river that has a little fishing dock. We didn't bring the boat this time. Wanted to keep it a little more simple. We're going to do some cat fishing, maybe some crappie fishing, and just chilling on the river, kind of remote. Shouldn't be a lot of people around where we're at. So it's just me and Audrey getting out of town and just getting away. So that's what this trip is. Welcome to our little fishing dock on the river down here at the Nueces. And first evening down here, I'm just going to try to get some little bluegill or brim to use for catfish bait. So we'll see how it goes. So this is day 2, and plan yesterday fell through. I was supposed to get some worms. We forgot to do that when Audrey was getting her fishing lessons because she had to buy it online because Walmart didn't have anybody back there to buy it from. But I got some jigs, and I was bringing the cast net. Well, I forgot the cast net too. So all I had was some jigs. So we tried to fish last night. I was just trying to catch some little bluegill to use for bait for catfish. And Audrey missed a couple bites, and I had one hit that I hooked up, started reeling them in, fired them for a little bit, and then popped off out in the lights at night. And I seen at least 3 gar swimming around those lights. I have a feeling, and some of them were real small, like a foot long, just a little baby gar. And then there was a big one. I have a feeling that whatever hit my jig was probably, it hit as soon as the thing hit the water. So I think it was one of the gar. And they're notoriously hard to hook. So that was a fail. So today I'm on my way to Bud's bait shop. That's the one right there in 3 Rivers. And fortunately, we're only like 5 miles away from there. So I'm going to run there, get some little worms, try to catch stuff. And since I got a minnow bucket with me, might as well get a dozen minnows to float around. They'll probably just get demolished by the little gar, but we'll see. It'll be fun either way. All right, well, we didn't get it on the camera, but we got our first catch. Nice little Gasper freshwater drum. Now, they aren't bad eating actually, but they also make good catfish bait. So I think this dude is going to be sacrificed as catfish bait. We catch nothing but the monsters out here, baby. Look at that giant catfish. Monster, bro. Can you see him? Oh, he went under. And you're going down. Check the snake. Alright, so what's going on? 2 big rods out. Audrey's, mine. We got big chunks of cut bait on them, which was that Gasper or freshwater drum. Evening. We're going to sit here and chill and see if we don't hook something big. Hopefully a big cat. Possibly big gar too. They're here. I've seen tons of gar, so that's a good possibility. All right, let's set up and see. Just listen. What is that? Listen for the noise. That. I don't know what the heck that is. No shiny eyes.
What the fuck is it?
Quit swearing, woman. I don't know. It's a deformed frog.
There's no way a frog.
Some kind of weird night bird.
Throw something over there.
What are you gonna throw over there?
I don't know, but I want it to go away.
I don't think it's gonna hurt you. You know, caught something. It ain't gonna be big. Well, got a little weight to it on the small pole. No little catfish. The little ones are out here, that's for sure. Oh. There you go. Little blue cat. Croaking his butt off. I hear you, brother. Let's get them pliers, get that hooked out of your mouth and get you back in the water. Oh, Audrey catches a monster. Look at that monster. The world's biggest catfish ever caught.
He ain't, well, he's a little bit bigger.
Oh, he's a little bigger. And they're a little channel though, right? Spots on him. No, he's a little blue cat and he is twisted up.
Yeah.
All right, Audrey got on the board. You're catching up with me just today. So we're trying to get them little bluegills for big catfish bait. And look what we found. That's little bluegill number 5. So tonight's our last night here. We're swinging for the fences with some live bait for them big kitty cats. Right there. Straight out, not up. Not up. Oh. Now crank because you probably lost him.
Yeah, there's nothing there.
God damn it.
I don't even have any bait.
Yeah, you do. You chewed the back half of it off, though. So, look at that bait. There was a lot more fish there than that. But we can use that just like it is. Hold this. I'll sling it out there for you. You want me to just lean it down like that one this time?
Yes. I can't get it out of that.
Yeah, that little hole is a little tight. All right, well, let's see what happens here.
Don't get me.
I won't get you. Oh! Oh! What?
I got this one going now. I just did twice.
Okay. That's the live bait. Alright, live bait rod has just started bouncing a little bit, so we'll keep an eye on it. That was interesting. Yours kind of did that too earlier, huh? Bouncing. Oh. That got me so excited. Oh man, that was exciting. That line's kind of twitching and stuff when you watch just the line in the water. That's that live bait moving around, I guess, which is a good thing. There, Gar, grab the net, and I'll net them. Or you can net them for me. We got our first gar of the trip. Oh, okay, buddy. Yeah, that's a little alligator gar. There you go. You got a little weight to them, don't you?
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, boy. First alligator gar of the trip. First big fish. Okay. Dude, you're going to get to roam free after this. No, you're not getting away right now. Oh, you getting pictures for me? Alrighty. Get on with this real quick. First dinosaur of the day. I'll probably hold him up. You can get a picture of that. Alrighty, let me get them fish grips. I'm interested in using these on a gar. And I got one eye. He ate that live bait, didn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you're going back in now. Got yourself all blood and stuff. There we go. That was cool.